There, you can see him right through there. I'll poke his head up. See him? That's a different woodpecker. I've seen one like that before. That's a big one too. Go ahead and man that bunch of leaves. Right. He'll be out. Hold on. There he is. Whenever he takes the sunflower seed, he comes up, takes the sunflower seed, and takes off. Hear it and takes off. It's like the only woodpecker that does that. Oh. Wait. There he is. I don't know why he does that. Where'd he go? Oh, there he goes. Eating the sunflower seed just took out of the other pan. Not a sunflower seed, actually a nut. A regular nut and a piece of corn. That's the only thing I put in there. What's he pecking at? He must like corn. I don't know. But that's an interesting woodpecker. That's one of a few of woodpeckers I have. He'll come down for another one. There he is there. The other woodpeckers I get, you can see I have a hanging thing that holds the cakes. That thing right there. There's another woodpecker that comes around. It's black and white. It has like spots on its back. He will land on that. Where that one that I just videotaped before, he will not land on that. I don't know why. Oh, see, he's looking for something. That's the one I was just talking about. He's looking for something to eat, and I don't have any on there. All right, there's a red-headed one I was talking about. Right up there. He's pecking at it. He'll be back. There's another one that follows him around. Him, her, I don't know what it is. I think it was a baby one that wouldn't go too far. And it was feeding it. Oh, there it is. There it is. Now he'll come back down and get another nut and feed it as well. That's pretty cool. Alright, he'll come back down in a minute. Ready? There he comes. And there he goes. There he is. And he'll get another one. Come on. Take off back up there. Oh, you're going up there. Okay. Where's... Oh, your other one's... He's up on that branch there. There. You want to eat? You gotta come down there. There you are. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff, huh? I like watching them. Alright. That's all the woodpeckers I got around my house. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.